Hello, today we're going to have a look at the index and match function in Google Sheets. Let's suppose you have distributed tickets and you distributed them to different people with first and last names, but now you don't remember who had or who received ticket number 9. So for this, the index and match function is perfect because you can search in a database by entering just one value and get the other one. I'm going to show you right now how this is done. I start with the index and match function right here. Alright, the first thing we always do is we start with the equal sign and then we write index. After that, we open up the brackets and now it asks me for the reference. So the reference is where the result should come from. Let's say we want to get the last name, so I add column D. So I just click on column D. After that, I set a comma. And now where the row is, I'm writing match. Now I'm using the match function. I open up the brackets and it is asking me for the search key. Yeah, as I said, I'm looking for ticket number 9, so I click on 9. All right, I enter a comma again and now it asks me for the range. So this is where the ticket numbers are in. This is column B. So I click on the column B header. I do a comma again and now the search type, it asks me whether I'm looking for an exact match or not. Of course, we're looking for an exact match. So I just enter 0 here, which is for exact match. And now I just need to close both brackets and I hit enter and let's see what kind of result I get. So yeah, the person was Strickland. So I know that I issued ticket number 9 to Strickland. Yeah, so that's basically it. That's how you use the index and match function in Google Sheets. It's way more powerful than just the index or just the match function. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If so, if I was able to help you, please give it a like. Thank you so much. Bye bye.